If you're struggling with debt, you're not alone. Today, we'll embark on a journey to help you overcome debt and regain control of your finances. Welcome to your path to financial freedom. You're watching Genesis on Money, the channel where we navigate the complex world of personal finance and wealth creation. Follow these practical steps to pave the way for a debt-free future. Step 1. Assess your debt. It's advisable to start your journey to overcoming debt by assessing your financial situation. This you can do by listing all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and outstanding bills. You see, understanding the full scope of your debt is the first step towards managing it effectively. Step 2. Create a budget. Next, you'll have to craft a realistic budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses, then allocate a portion of your income to debt repayment. Importantly, you must learn to prioritize your needs over wants and cut back on non-essential expenses. To learn more about how to create a budget, watch my previous video on the subject by clicking the link at the end of this particular video or the link in the description below. Moving on. Step 3. Develop a debt repayment plan. Organize your debts based on interest rates. Two common approaches are the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method involves paying off the smallest debt first, while the avalanche method focuses on high-interest debts. Choose the strategy that works best for you. Step 4. Negotiate with creditors. One way to do this is by reaching out to your creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or flexible repayment plans. The fact is, many creditors are willing to work with you if you're proactive about addressing your debt. Step 5. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to boost your income. Consider a side gig, freelance work, or selling unused items. The extra income can accelerate your debt repayment. To learn more about how to increase your income, watch my video on 15 ways to make more money by clicking the link down in the description below. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. As you repay your debt, simultaneously build an emergency fund. This is because having savings for unexpected expenses will help to ensure that you won't need to rely on credit for emergencies. Step 7. Seek financial education. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about personal finance, budgeting, and investing. Understanding financial concepts will empower you to make informed decisions and avoid falling into debt again. See why you should start investing in your financial education in these videos highlighted in the description below as well. Overcoming debt is a journey that requires commitment and discipline. By following these steps I just shared with you, you'll be able to take significant strides toward financial freedom. Remember, the road may be challenging, but every payment brings you one step closer to a debt-free life. Why not start today and embrace a brighter, debt-free future? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on financial tips and wealth-building strategies. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.